So I'm discussed about that how we can create for Google Ads smart campaign. So what is mean by Google Ads smart campaign? So when people will be search in a particular any keyword, if you show any map ads, this all belongs to for smart campaign. Without mapping, we can't create the Google smart campaign ads. First of all, we can go to your particular business.google option. Now, here I'm searching for my business. In this, we can go to inside option. Here, every option will be here. Create a post. You can find our customers. Start advertise now. Promote your business in a minute. Show up us on your people research for what your offer will be here. When people will be search your option, they go to option will be Google AdWords. That will be called smart campaign option. You can open for google.com/adwords. You can open for same option. Any mapping we have to promote to increase the traffic, that all option will be belongs to where a particular Google AdWords. The campaign name is called, go to new campaign. In this option call, we have to select in for smart campaign option. In the smart campaign option will be complete three option. Call to your business, visit your shopfront, action on your website. Here, Google Map without website also will be promote. We can promote your location or get your phone calls, your business purpose also. If anybody asking interview question, can we promote your Google Ads without website? Yes, will be promote. The campaign name is called Smart Campaign Ads. Reach your business goals with the automated ads in a Google will be here. The create text and image ads that show on Google Maps and across the web and make advertises minimum and ads management. This will be showing for which website approved by the Google AdSense. That website also will be showing for in a particular map ads. Depend on your ads will be showing for map ads option will be here. So right now no map ads will be there. If you will be anyone give the map ads will be showing on the particular website also, which website approved by the Google AdSense website. Next, smart. Here, which campaign can select? I go with the campaign with the website or without website. Now I can go option will be call to your business. Select it. So they're showing everything here. So which one here I'm promoting for in this option? Customer company in Madhapur, Hyderabad. Here, first step. Where are you customers? In your location or global wise? Do nothing but you can add your country and the space, everything will be accepted. Only nearby location. Up to we can target 5 kilometers to 65 kilometers. So target up to 35 kilometers. Next. After that, set up your keywords. What is the purpose of keyword will be here? This all will be given your particular option. In this we can writing for digital marketing. So here will be given the particular option. So what are the option will be given? Search engine marketing. Here, online marketing strategies, lead generation, everything will be here. This I'm writing for particular given information. Next, after that, let's write your ad. How you can show to a customer your particular ad will be here. So they're showing along with address. They're showing with along with the address. Address compulsory will be given in your common option. Address not required. We can only showing for your particular option will be here. Your business profile we can show. Which one you can show? Business profile we can show here. So just in this digital marketing. So we can writing for here at the best price, Hyderabad. and clicking boost your business. Now you can go for same. We can boost your traffic, and then we can writing for your particular option will be here. So what are the things you can add by here in this option? Title will be accepting 30 characters. Description will accepting for 90 characters. Here space everything they will be look into the your particular ad here. So your ad will be here, digital marketing at best price in Hyderabad. So you can add looking to boost your traffic. Here everything option will be here. See your complete layout options. They're showing for Google search option, Google Maps, and Google partner site. I'm already discussed which website approved by the Google AdSense. Your ad will be showing for two positions. This all will be here. Google search, Google Maps, and the Google partner site. This is a map ad will be showing to the particular here. Now this done. And this ad will be eligible by the desktop and mobile version. Both here, mobile and the desktop. Here will be desktop and mobile option and here. So here what we can show in for get direction. Why it is showing for get direction? I'm selecting for get direction option. So if I'm selecting for website, ad will be changed. So here website get direction, map website and get direction. Here showing website and get direction. Suppose I have not give the website URL. The show will be like this. What option will be business profile. So they all will showing for business profile option. You can desktop Google partner site and you add mobile partner sites here. Google Maps. What is showing for business profile? Business profile. Nothing but without website promoting here. We have two options and custom address also will be there. We can promoting for your YouTube channel also. You can promoting for YouTube channel also. Coming to your channel here. Copy. Select it. Again showing YouTube, YouTube, YouTube here. The people will be coming to where on your YouTube channel option. So what are the you can use? You can use the we can custom here also will be applicable on the particular option. So this all option will be given in the particular smart campaign ads. So my target is only for particular website or without website. Next, after that is asking for your complete phone number details. Turn on verification. Your mobile number is verified. Show your ad will be like this in the particular preview option. Click for next. Finally, you have to select your budget option. When you're selecting for 490 daily average, 14,000 rupees monthly, the reach will be 7,400 to 12,380 people will be target, 310 to 540 clicks per month. In the smart campaign, little bit expensive, particular users. Here complete for estimation for per month option, not for per day. Here, when you're spending for 14,000, these are the option. You can add your own budget. This will be the minimum starting for. We can go with the price will be more than 500 will be daily budget we can use. Set the budgets. When coming to daily budget 500, 15,000 and 7,610 to 12,730 people will be reached. You get the clicks will be 320 to 550 clicks per month. These are the budget allocated by the particular ads. If it's okay, we can finalize your next. Finally, your campaign will be showing your particular all options. What are the changes are required? 800 change your option. Finally, click for next. Finally, your ad will be create using smart campaign. Smart campaign purpose with the website and without website, we can creating for Google AdSense campaign to activate your particular ads option. So right now is inactive stage. When my active account will be active stage, my line will be ads and continuously. So this is a creating for particular ads on the smart campaign option. So my account will be reactive stage. Just in the hold on the my account will be in the particular AdWords. Once active stage is going to inactive for my particular ad option. So this is the particular here. Any particular ad will be create on the particular option. If you are running the campaign, if you want to pause, compulsory asking for feedback. This is only given by the smart campaign option. So what are the ad you create? Everything will be showing for your Google AdWords option. Here is the option. If you're creating for smart campaign anything, the showing ads will be Google AdWords. Previous smart campaign, another name is called Google AdWords Express. The name will be changing as a smart campaign ads. Smart campaign purpose to promote your website or business with location, without website, with website, and you can promote your YouTube links, another video link to promote by using your business. So this is the way we have to promote your particular option using for smart campaign on the particular Google Ads, where we will display Google search, Google Maps, and search partner websites. Use it and help for the particular option on the particular Google search purpose. Create a campaign, increase your viewers on the particular website based on your request. Anybody further doubts? If you're creating any smart campaign without map, don't create. With map will be create, they will be promote your mapping on the using smart campaign option.